Hi everybody, this is the first in a series of probably many videos detailing how we take my husband's former hunting camper, which is an '84 Wilderness Fleetwood that he used for 3 years, and transform it into a family camper that we can be proud of. Stay tuned. So we bought this Wilderness Fleetwood travel trailer in, I believe, early 2017, and I believe we got it for $1,600. I'd have to double check on it. So let's take a walk around. The whoever had it before us put in this little window AC unit, and it's pretty well installed, but I'd like to take it out and get a proper AC unit put in just to make it as original as possible. So you can see we need to definitely do a lot of work with rust removal. And oh, look, there's a gray tiger right there. Anyways, so we got rust removal, cleaning. That awning has some issues that we need to work on. The door right here, it's broken, won't open from the outside, but it'll open from the inside. And we've got some fiberglass issues here. Gonna have to repaint, new lights. The windows are solid, which is good. They're all there except for the window where the AC unit is. And the rock guard is actually in pretty good condition. I looked up the old Wildernesses, and this is an '84 Fleetwood Wilderness, by the way. So I looked these up, and they actually had a pretty cool, like, stylized mountain scene on here. So when I clean it up, I'd like to get a decal place to do a new decal of it. I think that would kind of keep with the original aesthetic and just modernize it too. So we've got a lot of rust here to take off. All this stuff works. Not great, but it works, which is good. And again, you can kind of see where we've got a lot of painting and cleaning to do. Tires are okay. When we bought it, we did have to get new tires on it. It was about $250 to get all new tires and a spare tire. And we've got some little things like this little door right here. Probably needs to be replaced. But other than that, the water works when it's hooked up. The black water tank and the gray water tanks work. There's like a little crack in the seam in the black water tank that we have to fix, and we have to get like a clean water tank. But all in all, I think it's a doable project. We're gonna find out. In the next video, we're gonna head out inside and I'll show you what we have awaiting us.